If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To print a list, open the list to print and then click the button in the lower left corner of the list window. From the pop-up menu that appears, select the Print List command. If, however, you are trying to print either the customers and jobs, vendors, or employees lists, then instead click the Print button at the top of the respective center and choose the name of the list from the drop-down that appears. Next, click the OK button to bypass the List Reports message and then set your printing settings in the dialog box that appears. Finally, click the Print button to print the list. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.